So if you've been waiting for the GoPro Hero 14, you're not alone. Every year, GoPro fans expect a new Hero Black around this time, and this year, something feels off. No teasers, no launch event, no official announcement. And that's exactly why the GoPro Hero 14 leaks are getting everyone talking. Let's break down what's really going on. First things first, as of now, GoPro Hero 14 Black hasn't been officially released. This is actually a big deal because it's the first time in nearly a decade that GoPro skipped its usual annual flagship launch. Instead of Hero 14, GoPro surprised everyone by launching other products like the GoPro Max 2 and a more budget-friendly model called the Lit Hero. Now, GoPro has already said the Hero Black line is not dead, so this doesn't mean Hero 14 is canceled. Most leaks suggest it's delayed, not abandoned, and honestly, that might be a good thing. One big reason for the delay, according to leaks, is that GoPro wants the Hero 14 to feel like a real upgrade, not just a small refresh. Over the past few years, fans have complained that Hero upgrades were becoming too incremental, so GoPro may be taking extra time to bring something bigger to the table. Now, let's talk about the rumored specs, keeping in mind that none of these are confirmed. One of the most talked about rumors is 8K video recording. GoPro has stuck with 5.3K for a while now, while competitors like Insta360 have already moved into 8K territory. If Hero 14 launches with 8K, it would finally put GoPro back on equal footing, especially for creators who crop footage or shoot cinematic action scenes. Another major rumor is a new image sensor. Leaks suggest GoPro may upgrade the sensor to improve low-light performance, which has always been one of the biggest complaints. If true, this could mean cleaner night footage, better indoor shots, and less grain when shooting at sunset or in cloudy conditions. Stabilization is also expected to get an upgrade. We're hearing talk of HyperSmooth 7.0, possibly with better horizon lock and smoother footage during extreme motion. GoPro already leads in stabilization, but the competition is catching up fast, so this upgrade would be crucial. Audio is another area where Hero 14 might improve. Some leaks point toward better built-in microphones or even wireless mic support without extra adapters. That would be a huge win for vloggers and motovloggers who want cleaner audio without extra gear. Battery life is also rumored to get a small boost. We could see a slightly larger battery or at least better efficiency through software optimization. That would help with longer recording sessions, especially if 8K video becomes a reality. On the software side, GoPro is rumored to lean more into AI-powered features. Think smarter auto edits, better subject tracking, and improved mobile app workflows. This fits GoPro's recent focus on subscriptions and cloud-based editing tools. So when will the GoPro Hero 14 actually launch? Leaks suggest early 2026. Again, nothing official, but the general consensus is that GoPro is holding back until Hero 14 feels like a major leap forward instead of a minor upgrade. Community reaction has been mixed. Some fans are frustrated by the delay, while others are actually excited, hoping this means the Hero 14 will be worth the wait. Many users would rather wait longer for meaningful upgrades than buy another slightly improved camera every year. So, here's the bottom line. There's no GoPro Hero 14 yet, but all signs point to GoPro working behind the scenes on something bigger. If the leaks are even partially true, 8K video, better low light, improved stabilization, and smarter software, the Hero 14 could be one of the most important GoPro launches in years. Until then, the Hero 13 Black remains GoPro's flagship, but trust me, the moment Hero 14 leaks turn into official announcements, the action camera world is going to get very interesting.